I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the container is live and you can open preview. Next, enable built-in click and form variables so you capture element data. This matters because raw HTML won't map automatically. Once done, create a new tag of type Google Analytics 4 event or Universal Analytics, depending on your setup, and populate event name fields. Make sure to choose a trigger now. We'll build that next, and keep naming consistent so analytics stays clean. Now you build the triggers that fire your tag. Create a click or form submit trigger and narrow it with element ID, classes, or CSS selector so it only fires where intended. Use variables, click text, click URL, or custom data layer keys to pass dynamic values. This is how you populate action and label fields. Once configured, test thoroughly in preview. Click the element, inspect the event in the debug pane, and refine selectors or add rejects matches if you see false positives. Finish by publishing your container when preview shows correct hits. After publishing, confirm delivery in Google Analytics Real-Time and GA4 Debug View, checking that event names and parameters match your schema. If events don't appear, first reopen preview and watch the data layer for the push. Then verify your trigger conditions and ensure no blocking triggers or consent settings stop firing. Finally, use the browser console to inspect element selectors and, if needed, add a short delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.